I've been hearing this bird every morning, but I can't find it. Whenever I get close, he just gets quiet. Can definitely hear the macaws in the background, but that's not what I'm after. Here is another attempt of sneaking up on him. And just like that, he gets quiet. Dude. But today I'm about to get lucky. Right after he scares the living daylights out of me. But I lost him, and I still didn't get a clear shot on exactly what he is. Gonna try one more time to sneak up on this guy. And then finally, after months of searching, I found him. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a gray-necked wood rail. Hands down the noisiest neighbor in my entire apartment complex.